Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have multiple work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company Zillion Technologies. They're looking for a data entry digital filing specialist. It pays up to $20 an hour. Job title, Digital Filing Specialist, Data Entry. Location, Remote Opportunity. The interview process will be one interview. Richmond, Virginia 23060. Position description. This person will be responsible for providing basic data entry support. Execute routine data entry and data deletion tasks by collecting, reviewing, and amending predetermined data points from online and mobile platforms. Role will operate under direct supervision with narrow independence of action. Position accountabilities. Collect predetermined data points from supervisor. Translate data into accurate account decommission in online and/or mobile platform. Reviewing data points for accuracy. Be responsible for accuracy and clarity of final results. Operate computer and online systems. Organizational relationship. This position reports to the assigned department manager. Position qualifications. Education and experience. High school diploma or equivalent work experience. Knowledge and skills. High degree of professionalism. Proficient computer skills relevant to Microsoft Office suites. Proficient in Excel. Excellent customer service skills. Excellent interpersonal, communication, and organization skills. Ability to handle multiple tasks. Flexible, able to adapt to change. Ability to work with minimum supervision. Job type, full-time. Pay $18 to $20 per hour. Schedule, 8-hour shift, Monday to Friday. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Shikely Group, Inc. They're looking for a bill entry. It pays up to $15 per hour. Qualifications, knowledge and skills at a level normally acquired through the completion of a high school education or comparable work experience. Experience with various computer programs and data entry skills. Typing 50 minutes 60 WPM. 10 key 9000 kph preferred divided by 30 WPM. Ability to handle sensitive information and maintain a high level of confidentiality. Organization, accuracy, attention to detail, flexibility, and strong ability to multitask. Ability to work in a fast-paced environment without direct supervision and able to demonstrate considerable initiative. Medical billing and terminology experience. We offer employees a range of perks including but not limited to health, dental, vision, and life insurance. Contributions to your HSA. $900 for individual, $1,800 for family. Additional insurance options, critical illness, long-term, short-term disability, accidental death and dismemberment, employee assistance program, legal shield. 401 savings plan with match after 1 year. Continuous professional training and development. 8 paid holidays. Paid vacation and PTO available. Employee-focused culture with appreciation events all year. Roles and responsibilities. Reports directly to the billing team lead. Processes incoming bills, invoices within the time frame set by the Bureau of Workers' Compensation. Maintains and develops teamwork within all departments of Unicomp. Meets quality and productivity goals and established requirements. Maintains and exhibits the Shikely core values. All other duties as assigned. This job description is not intended to be all-inclusive, and the employee will also perform other reasonably related business duties as assigned by the immediate supervisor and other management as required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Hulkin. They're looking for a data entry specialist. It pays up to $16 an hour. Are you self-motivated with an eye for detail? We are looking for work from home candidates to join our dynamic team of data entry specialists. This team processes subcontractor vouchers by applying their multitasking and problem-solving skills. This is a fast-paced position working for the best transportation company in the industry. Highlights: safely work from home, solid processes and systems with passionate team, fill a critical role in the transportation industry in a self-directed environment, work with a team achieving a common goal. Key responsibilities: quickly and accurately key in data from business partner voucher, review voucher to ensure amounts are accurate, confirm vouchers are correctly completed containing all required information, coordinate with business partner to ensure all vouchers have been received and billing issues are resolved, ensure vouchers are stored properly in electronic document storage system. Qualifications: to perform this position successfully, an individual must be able to meet each essential duty and responsibility to a satisfactory level. Good typing and 10 key skills: customer service aptitude, education and experience, high school diploma or equivalent, 6 months to 1 year experience in data processing, dispatch experience preferred. Key skills: strong administrative and computer skills, great attention to detail, quick and accurate data entry skills, quick communication skills with the ability to clearly and concisely respond to inquiries. Vulcan is an equal opportunity at will employer and does not discriminate against any employee or applicant for employment because of age, race, religion, color, disability, sex, sexual orientation, or national origin.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
Below under job number 3 so you can apply
right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this channel every single day.
So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified, leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.